G'day everybody, welcome back to another episode of Crafted by Tim. Just got a little short video for you guys today. My dad went to the swap meet yesterday and he picked up this massive sledgehammer. It's not actually that big. It's covered in dirt. It's not a really big sledgehammer, but I actually intend on using this for a bit of blacksmithing. The handle itself is not too bad. There's this big split in it, and it probably won't last much longer, but I am gonna get a new handle for it soon. Problem is, the head of it starting to sort of shroom over a bit, and that's actually not very good. I want to redress this. I'm going to do that with the belt sander. You could easily do this with an angle grinder if you don't have a belt sander or a belt grinder. Basically what we're going to do is we're just going to touch around all the edges. We're going to redress that. We're then going to redress the faces. And my intention is to have one of these faces so it's slightly more rounded. Having a more rounded face means that you'll have a smaller surface area. You'll be having all of the force from the hammer. As it makes impact, it's going to remove more material at any one time. But of course you may not want that hammered texture. If you've ever hit steel with a ball peen hammer, you'll notice that it'll end up with that little ball peen hammered texture. So you may not want that. So for the other side, I'm just going to sort of grind it more or less completely flat to help sort of fix the issue that will arise from hammering with the round side. So I want to have a half round, half flat. That's the general kind of idea that I have for this. Wow, that's actually still warm. It's been like an hour and it's still warm. Well, there you have it. Nice redressed hammer. Of course, it's not massively clean, but it doesn't necessarily have to be. It's just taking off that shrimming effect around the ends to make sure that it's not going to send shards of high carbon steel off, because those travel pretty fast, and yeah, they can get lodged in expensive things as well as people. So it's always good to take good care of any tools that get, you know, impact and work and that sort of stuff, especially if they're high carbon. But nevertheless, stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers.